Welcome to the Belly Up Bar. Today I'm going to remake the Trader Vic's 1972 Navy Grog. The one I posted earlier didn't have any body. The ABV was very high, and it was more like a Navy Grog daiquiri. So today, based on some more research, and I'm not going to use the concentrate and try to figure that one out, I'm going to go back to the basics and start building Trader Vic's 1972 Navy Grog. So let's get started. First thing it's going to call for is one Havana Club. I'm going to use Puerto Rican light. A lot of choices out there, not much difference between the lights. Don Q would work. And Bacardi, one of those. And one of Appleton. I'm going to use the 12-year-old Rare. Some of the other Appletons would work as well. The Reserve, the 8-year-old, calls for one of these. This has a nice dark flavor to it that I like. Alright, and then one 86 proof Demerara. That's in the original, so I'm going to use Hamilton 86. Calls for one of those. Alright. And the mix, which is no longer available from what I've researched for everybody out there. It's 111 on allspice dram, and it calls for a 3 mix. So I'm going to put one of each in. One allspice, one grapefruit, one lime, and that accounts for the 3 mix in the original recipe. So one allspice. I'm using St. Elizabeth. One white grapefruit, ocean spray, 100%. And one Persian lime. Okay. And I've got my mug cooling here, Trader Vic's mug. Got some ice in there. We'll shake this one up. Okay, this one's going to come in at 25%, much better than the last one, which is 31%. This one's going to have a bit more body to it. Pick up a straw. And there you have it. This is my revised version. I'm going to pull down the other video. I have not figured out the Grog concentrate yet. When I do, I'll post it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like if you like the drinks.